Hello, my viewers, my engineers, lovers of mathematics. Welcome to Mr. Kakus. Today we are going to learn how to calculate volume of concrete in a hollow column. This is a hollow column with the thickness of concrete 0.40 and the radius of 0.50 and the height of the column 5 meters. This is the top end of the column or the cross section. This is our concrete. This is the coverage area. The thickness of this concrete is now 0.40 and the radius from the center of the smaller circle, the circumference of the smaller circle is 0.50 meter. Now we are having two circles here, the bigger circle and the smaller circle. The bigger circle is going to give us the bigger radius in our formula and the smaller radius, which will cover the empty area. What as I apply the formula? We have pi bigger R square H minus pi smaller R square H. We are using this formula that cover the whole diagram, including the empty area. And this formula is by subtracting the empty area. Now our pi represents 22 all over 7 times our bigger radius will be by adding the concrete and the smaller radius, which will be 0.40 plus 0.50, which will be 0.90 square times 5 minus 22 all over 7 times our smaller radius is 0.50 square times 5, which is the height. Let's clear the bracket. We have 22 all over 7 times 0.81 times 5 minus 22 all over 7 times 0.25 times 5. Now we multiply the numerator all through, which we have 89.1 all over 7 minus 27.5 all over 7. Now we take our LCM, which will be 7. Then we have 89.1 minus 27.5. When you subtract, you now arrive at 61.6 all over 7. Now we end at 8.8 cubic meters.